Good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss about the differentiations, basic differentiation that generally used in the physics. Now, first of all, we define constant terms, variable terms, functions, and physical meaning of dy by dx. Now, constant terms.
चलिए
Now, constant, the quantity whose value remain unchanged during mathematical operations. It means that the value don't change like 1, 2, 3, 4, a, e, e, pi, etc. is called a constant quantity. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are small a, small b, are pi, or e. Generally, this is generally taken to value don't change, so that these are constant. Now, variable quantity, a quantity whose value are changed, a quantity whose values are changed, the change is called the variable quantity. Variable quantity generally taken as x, y, z, and so on. Function, a quantity y is called a function of the variable x. A quantity y is called a function of variable x. If corresponding to any given value of x, there exists a single different value of y, different value of x, there exists a single value of y. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 25. Now, physical meaning of dy by dx. Now, basic meaning of dy by dx, differentiation. Differentiation means just like an apple, and we cut this gradually. At last, we get a small part. That part is known as dy by dx. In the similar sense here, the ratio of the small change in the function y, the ratio अनुपात small change in the function y and variable x is called the average rate of change of y with respect to x. If anybody covered a small distance delta s in a small time delta t, then average velocity of body, as we know that average means total distance by total time. In the similar sense, average velocity of body v average equal to delta s by delta t, and similarly average acceleration, rate of change of velocity known as acceleration, average acceleration equal to delta v by delta t. When delta x tends to 0, it is very small quantity. The limiting value of delta y by delta x is limit x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. It can be written as dy by dx is called the instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x, and the differentiation of a function with respect to a variable implies the instantaneous rate of change of the function with respect to that variable. So that in the similar sense, instantaneous velocity of a body means limit delta t tends to 0, it means that we take time very small quantity, so that limit delta t tends to 0, delta s by delta t can be represented by ds by dt, and instantaneous acceleration of the body A. In that case, limit delta t tends to 0, delta v by delta t, that is represented by the dv by dt, and differentiate with respect to time t. Now, if here theorem of differentiation, now if c is equal to constant, if c is constant, if c is equal to constant, d by dx with c, d by dx with c equal to 0. Differentiation of any constant, that will be equal to 0 if y equal to cu. Here c is constant and u is function of x, and u is function of x, u is function of x, then dy by dx equal to d by dx cu, that is also equal to c of du by dx, that is also equal to c of du by dx. Now, third, if y is equal to u plus v plus w, third, if y is equal to u plus v plus w plus minus. Here u v w are function of x, u v w are function of x, then dy by dx equal to d by dx u v w. This can be written as du by dx plus minus dv by dx plus minus dw by dx. dw by dx. Fourth, if y equal to u v, where u and v, where u v are function of x, are function of x, are function of x. Here dy by dx equal to d by dx u v. This can be written as u dv by dx plus v du by dx plus v du by dx. Now, if if y equal to u by v, then here u and v are function of x, then dy by dx equal to d by dx u by v. This can be written as here v square v du by v du by dx, here du by dx minus u dv by dx. It means that we differentiate any function when that's occur in numerator as well as denominator, so that here square of denominator and denominator and differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominators. Now 6, if y is equal to x to the power n, if y is equal to x to the power n, if n is real number, then dy by dx equal to d by dx x to the power n. This can be written as n x to the power n minus 1, n x के power dy by dx differentiate with respect to x of function y is equal to n x के power n minus 1. Now we solve some problem. Now first problem, find dy by dx when function y is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 3. First problem, y equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 3. We have find that dy by dx equal to d by dx x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 3. Now here d by dx x के power 4 plus d by dx x के power 3 plus d by dx 3. Here we have know that d by dx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. In the similar sense, this become 4 x के power 4 minus 1 plus 3 x के power 3 minus 1 plus differentiate of constant term equal to 0. Hence x के power 3 plus 3 x के power 3 minus 1 2. This is our required value. Now next, second is y equal to under root x. It can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. Now dy by dx equal to d by dx x to the power 1 by 2 In the similar sense, x to the power n is equal to x to the power n minus 1, so that it become 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. It can be written as 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. This can also be written as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2, and this is under root x. Now, second problem, if x is equal to t square plus 4t plus 3, find ds by dt means differentiate this function with respect to time t, so that ds by dt equal to d by dt t square plus 4t plus 3. Now here d by dt t square plus d by dt 4t plus d by dt 3. Here x to the power n with respect to s n x n minus 1 in similar sense, to differentiate t square with respect to t, 2t, this become 2t, 2 minus 1 1, and plus 4, and differentiation of t is equal to 4, so that 2t plus 4, and this become 0, because differentiation of constant term equal to 0. Now we see now here formula for differential coefficient of trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential, and inverse function. So that here d by dx differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, tan x is sec square x, differentiation of cot x equal to minus cosec square x, sec x tan x, and cosec x minus cosec x and cot x. In the similar sense, log x d by dx log x to 1 by x e के पावर का e के पावर x and e के पावर ax equal to a e to the power ax. Sin inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square, cos inverse x minus sin minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, and tan x that is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. These are the basic differential formula that used in the physics, so that if you learn this with right, it means that यदि आप इसको लिख करके याद करेंगे तो आसानी से आप इसको जो है याद कर सकते हैं. साइन एक्स का डिफरेंशिएट कॉस एक्स, कॉस का माइनस साइन एक्स, tan एक्स का सेक स्क्वायर एक्स, कॉट एक्स का माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स, सेक एक्स का सेक एक्स tan एक्स, एंड कोसेक एक्स का माइनस कोसेक एक्स काट एक्स, e के पावर x का e के पावर x, log x का 1 by x, e के पावर ax का a e to the power ax, sin inverse x 1 by under 1 minus x square, cos inverse x we add negative sign 1 by under root 1 minus x square, and tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Next we have to discuss maximum and minimum value of a function. Now, maximum and minimum value of a function. This is a function, and here a minimum and this point be maximum. Higher order derivative are used to find the maximum and minimum value of the functions. At the point of maxima and minima, first derivative dy by dx become 0, so that at point A we calculate the minima. As we see that in the figure, in the neighborhood of A, the slope increases here, the slope increases, so that d2I by dx2 greater than 0. Thus, condition for minima, we differentiate the functions with respect to x and equate to 0 to find the value of x, and after that again differentiate d2I by dx2, and we see this if the value greater than 0, so that at the point the value of function, at the point we get the minimum value of functions. And now at the maximum point here, maximum at the point B, maxima at point B maxima, as we see in the figure, that in the neighborhood of B, slope decreases, so d2I by dx2 less than 0. Thus the condition for maxima dy by dx is equal to 0 and d2I by dx2 less than 0. This is the condition for the maxima. Now, for calculating the minima and maxima, first of all, we differentiate the function with respect to t and equate it dy by dx equal to 0 and get the value of variable x. After that, again differentiate and find d2I by dx2 and putting that value if d2I by dx2 greater than 0, then that is a minima, and less than 0, that is a maxima. Now we see some example. Now find the value of x for which 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 3 have maxima or minima value. Now let us suppose that function y is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 3. Differentiate it with respect to x, d by dx is quantity. Now 2 x to the power 3 minus 9 and d by dx x square, 12 d by dx into x and d by dx 3. Now as we know that d by dx x के पावर n इक्वल टू n x के पावर n minus 1 n minus 1. In the similar sense, this is 3x square, 3 is 6x square, and 2 here, 2x, now dunia 18x, and dx by dx 1, 12, and constant term 0. So that 6x square minus 18x plus 12. We take the common 6x square minus 3x plus 2 for maxima and minima value dy by dx equal to 0. Equate this 0 to come to 2x minus x minus 3x, no changes. So that here x are common, x minus 2 and minus 1 are common, here x minus 2. Two parts, this and this, so that we take common x minus 2, here x and minus 1. It means that if x minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, and if x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2. We get two value of x 1 and 2. Here d2i by dx 2, we get this 2x and 3, and putting x is equal to 1 d2i by d2, because we calculate the point x, and this is comes negative. Thus at x is equal to 1, function is the maxima. I will know that d2i by dx2 is the less than 0, then that is a case of maxima, and for maximum value calculate here, putting x is equal to 1 in the given functions. We get the maximum value of this is 2, and putting x is equal to 2, d2i by dx is equal to plus 6. X is equal to 2, put in this case we get d2i by dx is equal to 6. It is the positive, thus at x is equal to 2. The function is minimum, the function is minimum, the minimum value of this is 1. Now, so today we study about the differentiation. Now here, putting x is equal to 2, and we get d2i by dx equal to 6, it is a positive, so that at x is equal to 2, the function is the minima, and minimum value we get 1. Now we have to problem differentiate x to the power 5 x and cosec x with respect to x. This is also with respect to x, and this is also differentiate with respect to x. Now dy dx x to the power 5 cosec x. This is the here two variables, first and second. First into d by dx, second plus second into d by dx first. Now put x to the power 5 cosec x का differentiate minus cosec x into cos x, and cosec x to the power n x n minus 1, 5x 5 minus 1, that is 4x, so 5x power 4. Now we take common x to the power 4 cosec x to the power 4, and cosec x here only 5 here, and this is negative sign, and here this is product. Now x here only x rest and cot x, because cosec x taken common. Second question, d by dx sin x cube plus x square. Here this is x cube plus x square, so that dx cube plus x square sin x means cos x, and also this and this cancel, so that d of dx x cube plus x square. Now differentiate it 3x to the power n x n minus 1, 3x square, and this 2x, so that sin x with respect to this is cos x, so that this comes here 3x square plus 2x cos x cube plus x square. This is our answer. Next, G by dx 3 this is also converted into first part and second part. Here is constant come out. Here this is first part differentiation of second part tan x. As you know that differentiation of tan x equal to sec square x and tan x differentiation of first any log x equal to 1 by x and that comes here tan x by log x here 3 under bracket log x into sec square x plus tan x by x. This is our answer. Now today basic differentiation for physics. Next day we start integration for basic integration for physics. Now like and share videos and thank you.